guys, what's up? So I just opened my food pack, but I didn't like get anything out. And yeah, so today we're gonna be opening my food pack. Okay, so first of all, I really love this food pack. So first, let's get my Laffy Tracks. OMG, yes, I am gonna try to connect them. I'm not sure how. You go like anyways, it's pretty nice actually. I really like them. I really wanted my camera fell. I'm so sorry. I really wanted a Laffy Track. So, yeah. By the way, I have a lollipop in my mouth. So, that's actually what, I have, you know. Okay, next thing is my puzzle ball. Okay. This is fun. Honestly, this is quiet. I really like my puzzle ball. It's really nice. Anyways, here's a bit of it. Okay, now let's just grab the next thing and see. I'm gonna grab a handful of steel wrappers. Okay. Ooh! Oh, what are those? Emojis! Okay, let's do this. I don't need scissors. Oh, this is so nice. I swear, I love this. Okay. Now let's open the... Can I just cut it here? Shoot, no. I think I just cut his ear. Oh, no. Whoopsies. But, yeah, he's pretty cute, actually. By the way, these are the two we got so far. They're pretty cute. I love them. Now let's do this one. So I got this one. I really love it. If I do believe there's one more. Yeah, this one's a gray cat. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, so here is the fidget. Mochi. This one smells bad. Wait one sec. They both smell the same. Okay. That's super nice. It's a 22 pack, by the way. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 so far. Okay, next we have OMG, my infinity cube. One second, I'm just flipping the camera. It'll be better. Okay. So, here's the fidget. It's very nice. Honestly, oh no, I'm flipping the camera over. I really love this infinity cube. It's black, which is okay, I guess. I didn't really want black, but it's okay, I guess. Okay, next thing. Oh, bicycle puppets. I love this so much. It's a bit harder to poke, but way quieter, I think. yeah, I'll get my other Pop-It and I'll literally compare sounds. Okay, I got my other Pop-It. I just gotta pop the things to get it on the noisy side. Okay, I got it on the noisy side, now I'm gonna pop this. Okay, so this Pop-It, this is this Pop-It. First, so ready? 3, 2, 1. The circle, the square. Okay, definitely this one is softer. And I definitely do like this for like everyday activities. But I do like this Pop-It, I'm going to say this, for bedtime more. So if you want to sneak fidget toys like I do, in your bed, then this one is the one you're going to use because it's way better. Way better. It's less noisy. Okay. I love that. Okay, now let's grab. What? They ripped me off for these monkey noodles. But. Oh. Like, these are kind of good monkey noodles, I guess. They don't stretch that far because they're way little. But they're little and thin, and I like that. They can be my baby monkey noodles. So, yeah. Hope they didn't rip me off anymore. Yep, they did. Guess. They made it super hard to squeeze. Oh. It's super hard to squeeze. Okay, now we have 2 more things. Like, well, you know, we actually have 6 more, but like, so I got football, stress ball, I guess. Got 2. Okay, I guess. But yeah. Last 4 things. I actually did get marble mash. I love these. I'm sorry. So now, that's my lollipop. But I really like all the fidgets I got. Next video of fidgets is going to be fidget treating, so come back for the next part. Oh no, not the next part. Hold on. That video. I'll also post Roblox Adopt Me today.